Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Friends, with the series of number names, I am making this video to continue with 3 to 10 number names. So friends, without delay, let us start the video. And in this video, we will learn how to use the Arabic number names from 3 to 10. So friends, to use the number names from 3 to 10, we have to follow some rules, and the number one rule is the noun that we use from 3 to 10 must be plural and not singular at all. And I have given here like bintun means a girl, rajulun a man, kitabun a book, qalamun a pen. These are singular nouns and these are plurals. So banatun, rijalun, kutubun, aqlamun. So these singular nouns must not be used from 3 to 10. Only the plural forms should be used. Next rule is the number name must be used feminine. This is to be noted. The number name must be used feminine if the noun is masculine, opposite to the noun. And if the number name must be used masculine if the noun is feminine. The number name must be used masculine if the noun is feminine, opposite to the noun. So now friends, you will understand more by these examples. Like if the noun is masculine, as it is here, if the noun is masculine, then what happens? The number name, as you can see here, the number name must be feminine. That means with ta marbuta. So it is salasatu kutubin, 3 books. Arba'atu aqlamin, 4 pens. Asharatu abwabin, 10 doors. And if the noun is feminine, as you can see here, these nouns all are feminine because there is ta marbuta at the end. So friends, salasu sayyaratin, 3 cars. Arba'u banatin, 4 girls. Ashuru kurrasatin, 10 notebooks. So friends, you must take care that while counting from 3 to 10, the noun must be plural and not singular. The number name must be masculine if the noun is feminine, as you can see here. And if the noun is masculine, then the number name must be feminine. Let us see the next. The noun will have double kasrah at the last letter, as you can see here. Always this noun will have double kasrah from 3 to 10. The noun must be used without alif and lam. This alif lam is called definite article in Arabic, so this alif lam should not be used with the noun. We attach ta marbuta, this is called ta marbuta, to the number name like salas, to form feminine number name. So friends, when it is salas and you use ta marbuta at the end, it becomes feminine. So salasatu rijalin, 3 men. Salasu sallajatin, 3 fridges. So friends, these are the rules that we have to follow from 3 to 10 while counting or using the number names of Arabic. Let us see some more examples. Using the Arabic number names from 3 to 10 for the masculine and feminine noun. So friends, I have given here the examples from 3 to 10 for masculine nouns and feminine nouns. So here 3 doors, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and in Arabic it will be pronounced like salasatu abwab, arba'atu, khamsatu, sittatu, sab'atu, thamaniyatu, tis'atu, asharatu. Here the noun will be plural form, as you can see here, abwabin. And for the feminine noun, you can see here 3 pages, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 10 pages. So page is called safhatun, which is singular, and safahatun, which is plural here. But this noun, this number name is masculine because the noun is feminine here. So it will be pronounced like ثلاث صفحات 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 صفحات. So friends, following these examples and guessing on these examples, you can make more and more, and you can count anything using these rules. So friends, thank you very much for watching the video.